Hi, I wanted to explain what the expectations are for Gemini. Now, most of the school districts who are Google districts would have access to Gemini if the IT allows them, and if not, I'll show in this video how to enable it. Now, first, if you don't have access to Gemini, your IT department should go to your admin console, and from admin console under generative AI, there should be a Gemini app. In Gemini app, they can create groups or they can do particular users, but they will need to allow users to access Gemini. And I think it's done from here. Now, if for Gemini applications, which is the extensions, this is where they need to turn it on. This is the workspace, and they need to allow access so that we can access the extensions, which is workspace extensions. One more thing about this admin console, there's another application called Notebook LM. The Notebook LM also needs to be enabled, and it should be here. Service status needs to be on either for everyone or for particular users. That's the admin console. Once you have the permission to access Gemini, then you will be able to see a Gemini screen like this. It will not say advanced, probably it'll say just Gemini, but as long as you have this screen and you can interact with Gemini, that's all we need. The second thing will be to turn on extensions. Once the IT allows the extension to be turned on, this is where we need to go, and then we'll go to settings, apps, and in the apps we'll need to turn on our extensions right here. Currently we only have Google Workspace extensions. We don't have YouTube Hotels or other extensions in Workspace, in Business Workspace. However, we do have them in our personal emails and personal Gmail accounts. We'll also talk about those. If you have any questions, please let me know.